gonna do?
Get your hands
You're gonna
off
get
me.
arrested.
No, I'm not arrested.
No.
Please
Stop.
I need
You
to
need
my
to stop.
mother. You're too young, so you don't understand.
I'm not. Heavy. No tag. I mean, there's a holder. No.
Huh?
Yeah, just no. I'm just saying there's a holder, but no,
Right,
no name.
hell
Just looks like clothing.
That heavy?
It's a lot.
No.
Maybe it was some homeless person.
This.
It's all underneath.
Yeah, well, I can't.
Yeah, you don't want to look in there.
But it's like...
You don't want to look with no gloves on and...
Yeah, no, for sure.
Yeah. But on top, it's all clothing. There's something heavy, like, underneath the clothing, because there's no way. There's no way that's just clothing.
How much it weight? You have a scale.
There's one right here. Should be right there.
78 pounds.
77. What could be in there?
Well, that's what I'm saying. It's more than just clothes. There has to be... It's like having an engine or a piece of motor. Or,
It looks like equipment.
yeah.
It feels like equipment.
Yeah.
No way, I'm just curious. It's just...
No, because...
I just look.
You know, hazardous reasons or... I mean, for me, I know it's at the Japanese...
So, yeah, I mean, the dog didn't look...
With the supervisor that's covering the area, they're turning it over, so there's another but I spoke with both of them, and she said the woman's going to come out, so there were other issues. So.
She's intoxicated, I think, also.
Well, if she's intoxicated, she's definitely not supposed to be going anywhere.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Lady, we don't speak that here. What are you saying? Are you fucking kidding me? In the airport? In public? You said the N-word? Are you serious? You're yelling that shit here. No. Go. No, you're gonna go. No, you're gonna take your big ass fucking
Cancer.
Get that fucking 3-pound suitcase. Excuse you, that's your Go get it. Get downstairs, lady. Get downstairs.
I can't carry it.
No, get your shit. Go downstairs. Go. Excuse you.
Just stop.
No.
Stop.
No,
I want to see my
You're
mother
gonna be
tomorrow.
No, you're arrested now.
No, I'm not arrested.
No.
Ow, my foot.
No. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Excuse you. Put your hands behind your back.
Stop. Please stop.
Stop.
I need
You
to
need
see
to
my
stop.
mother. You're too young, so you don't understand.
No, I'm not.
What is
You're acting like a freaking lunatic.
Late 80s dying of cancer.
Nobody cares right now because you're acting like a lunatic at an airport.
I
You're
didn't do anything
You're
wrong.
shouting racist, derogatory terms in the middle of an airport.
My mom is dying of cancer. See my mother.
You're not when you're blasted drunk. Well, not before you started yelling. You know what you just said? No.
You're a Get your
Okay.
my arm.
You got the wrong culture.
Get my hands out of here and hey, Dean.
I can't even put her in my car.
Because guess what?
You have a cannon? You have a dog?
Yeah.
There's such a thing as guns in South Florida, Dean.
What are you trying to say?
Just let me go to a hotel and just come back tomorrow. This is not fair. Because she wants to bully up to me when I need to see my mother and my 2 boys that are home from college.
Why do you get blasted drunk to see your family and your dying mother? That you missed your flight and you left your bag.
That's great.
You know what she said? Yelling out, like the N-word, yelling out.
No, she put
all
hands
out
on me.
loud. No, I only brought hands on you. You need to be quiet.
Yeah.
You need to relax
Battery,
yourself.
touch, and
You need to
strike on
relax. You need to relax.
Get her hands off of me.
In a car.
Which car? Where's the car? Whose car are we putting her in? Whose car? Come on.
I want to. Ow!
Stop moving there.
Stop manhandling me. I'm cooperating. They have like $1,400, $1,500 and I want it back. My husband is a med mal attorney, and there's no way you're gonna let that go. I just said.
All right, sit back in the car.
Ow!
Sit down.
Ow! Are you f***ing crazy? Stop! Stop! Why are you doing this?
Go down. On the ground.
Why are you doing this? Why?
Roll over. Roll over.
Why are you doing this? Why? Why are you doing this? Help me! Help me!
Go ahead and turn that off for me. Go ahead and turn the car off for me. How about?
Yeah.
So why are you driving if you've been drinking?
I'm going home right now.
Okay. Well, I can tell you're extremely intoxicated right
And
now.
you.
You're slurring your speech. You're here at a bar. They're telling me that you're stumbling out of here. You can barely park your
They
car.
tell you that?
They're the one that called me.
Talk to them? Sure.
I am sure.
Let's go talk to them.
No, we're not going to go talk to them. We're not going to do that.
All right, I'm
But,
going.
ma'am, no.
Ma'am.
Step over here.
Sir, please.
334 Central. This is 94.
Please don't. Please don't. Hey! Do not address me. Do not. I'm not doing
Stop or you're going to get tased.
Stop!
334. Whoever's in the house. We know what's coming up.
I'm gonna stop myself. Stop! You're f***ing stop! Stop! Why are you doing this?
Go down. On the ground.
Why are you doing this? Why?
Roll over. Roll over.
Why are you doing this? Why? Why are you doing this? Help me! Love my community. Doing nothing for nothing. Help me!
Go and roll over.
Help me!
Get on your stomach.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! You goddamn right, you.
334 Central. I got one saying you can clear traffic. Slow response.
Help me!
Go on, stand up.
Help me! Sit up. Yeah. Roll on your butt. Help me! What's your name? Help me! What's your name? Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
So,
Help me!
she wasn't driving?
I'm walking home from my mother.
She
Spot, and you put it in me.
slurred speech. I explained why I'm here. She started to run away from me. I told her to stop. Didn't stop.
Exactly.
Grabbed onto her.
Take a deep breath. Whatever you guys need, Alex, whatever you need. Look at y'all.
We're gonna stand you up.
Your purse, you better leave that shit on me.
I got it. I'll search. I got it.
Yes. Leave my shit the fuck.
We're just gonna sit.
Stop grabbing.
Hey,
Hey, stop grabbing.
It's done. Okay, we're done.
No, it ain't done.
Relax.
Get the fuck off my purse, you little.
You just need to calm down for us. We're taking it
I will come. No, you ain't taking
It's
shit.
going with you, but we're not gonna keep it on you, okay?
Relax. Let it go, man.
Bitch.
Wes. Wes. Are these hers?
Those are hers.
I fully thought about what I'm doing, and I'm totally look at y'all.
Just ask her if she's one of Smithfield's prior exercise. I'm sure she'll tell you to piss off, but at least ask.
That's y'all are.
Okay, listen to me real quick.
You pig.
Wes, we're done.
Hold on. You better shut the fuck up.
That's not happening.
Bitches, look what they are. They're fucking pig ass. Look at them. They're fucking pig ass. Look at them, look. Ah!
Let go. Don't you try and bite me.
Resisting.
Oh, look at you.
Stop resisting.
Get the fuck up.
No, stop. Until you calm down, you're staying right where you're at, because we're not going to get kicked or hurt. So whenever you're
Wait
done.
till I get to my neighborhood.
Okay.
We're gonna.
No, you're not selling it.
We're good. We'll just get a point.
This side, you can have that side, and then on the legs.
Oh, yeah, is that good for you, you dumb mother...
We'd rather.